welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 7, Lesson 1. Let's read the Latin together here, and then you can practice on your own. Puella et rosa. Ecce, Marcus et Quintus ante ostium vilae, pueri Iulium expectant. Mater non est apud filios, ea in peristulo est. Illic virum suum expectat. Aemilia laeta non est, quia Iulius ab est. Nam Aemilia virum suum amat. Ubi est Iulia? In cubiculo suo est. Iulia, quae sola est illic, rossam ante nasum tenet. Puella lacrimat. In oculis eius sunt lacrimae. Okay, so let's try a translation of this short selection after you've paused and read the Latin on your own. Let's translate. We have ecce, look, look. Marcus and Quintus are in front of the door of their house. Ante is one of those prepositions that take the accusative, so that's why you have accusative ostium. Marcus and Quintus are in front of the house, the door of their house. Notice that there's no sunt here, right? Marcus and Quintus, we miss sunt, and often in a Latin sentence we will not have sunt, and so you'll have to supply it when it's missing. Pueri Iulium expectant. The boys are waiting for Julius. Mom is not with her sons. She is in the peristylum. There, she is waiting for her husband. So we have ea. Remember to memorize those carefully, right? She is in the peristylum. And then apud is one of those another preposition that takes the accusative. Apud means with or at the house of. So here we have with her sons. And illic, which means, it's just a word that means there. It's in the family of the words that like hic, which is here, and then we have illic there. And here she's expecting her man. Virum in this context means husband, and vir can be husband as well as man. Aemilia laeta non est. Aemilia is not happy because Julius is gone. Ab est is gone. And the plural, absunt, are absent. You can it helps you remember this verb means absent. Absunt sounds like absent. Nam, for Aemilia loves her husband. Where is Julia? She is in her bedroom. Julia, who is alone there, is holding a rose in front of her nose. The girl is crying. In her eyes are tears. Okay, so we see in the margin here, some of the words we just covered. We see lacrima and lacrimae plural, so we see here 2 tears, right? Duae lacrimae. And here we have a sentence that explains what's happening here. Iulia rosam ante nasum tenet. Julia is holding a rose in front of her nose. Here we see that oculus means eye. That lacrimat is the opposite of ridet. So ridet, ha ha hi, is the opposite of that is oohoo, oohoo, which is lacrimat. Okay, so let's try reading this with understanding in Latin for a little bit. Ecce, Marcus et Quintus ante ostium vilae, pueri Iulium expectant. Mater non est apud filios, ea in peristulo est. Illic virum suum expectat. Aemilia laeta non est, quia Iulius ab est. Nam Aemilia virum suum amat. Ubi est Iulia? In cubiculo suo est. Iulia, quae sola est illic, rossam ante nasum tenet. Puella lacrimat. In oculis eius sunt lacrimae. So read the rest of that section. Make sure you always do it in threes. Read it 3 times, and I'll meet you over in the exercises.